So I've been super productive as far as work goes today. I have been working all morning. I'm taking a break right now and watching some YouTube videos and heating up this lentil loaf that I put together yesterday. And it was a total experiment. I cooked up some lentils and green split peas, a bunch of seasoning, and it was really crumbly whenever I heated it up yesterday. So I remixed it with some egg replacer and a little bit of sugar-free ketchup. And I'm making 2 little patties for Matt. I added some red pepper flakes and then heating up a pan of it in there. And like I said, it's just basically cooked split peas, cooked lentils. I threw in some vegetable broth and some various seasonings like garlic powder and red pepper, some herbs de Provence, some paprika. So I heated it all together, or mixed it all together, and now I'm making some patties and a loaf. And it's kind of like what you would equate to a meatloaf, but it's basically plant-based meat. So I'm heating that up right now. I might have some for lunch, but I don't know. I'm just now starting to get hungry. Really focusing on listening to my body today. I will log my food so I can let you guys know where my macros are at for the day, but I'm not aiming to hit any goals of that sort. So haven't really been hungry, which is strange because normally I wake up super hungry. So starting to get a little hungry. I don't want it to get to that point where I'm starving. So I'm going to start looking for some food and I will let you guys know what I eat. Guys, so we're getting home super late from the rock gym and I'm super lazy, so dinner is this weird looking little plate. It's one of these Tex-Mex veggie burgers. These are pretty good, and then a ton of garbanzo beans and green beans, and Matt is having a big ass enchilada with a whole bunch of goodies in there. Looks freaking amazing. I might have to try a bite of that. But yeah, there's dinner. And I don't know. I guess I'll see if I'm wanting anything else after this. But we're going to go eat. Alright guys, so finishing out the night with a bowl of protein sludge. And this is just a scoop of my True Nutrition protein. It's the cinnamon bun flavor mixed in a good amount of PB2. I'm guesstimating it's probably 2 to 3 servings of it. And then probably 2 to 3 servings of these Ghirardelli mini sweet morsels. And these are one of those foods that's accidentally vegan because it's made with cocoa butter, no milk. But I'm going to eat this and we're watching some Netflix And the macros are on the screen for you guys. Thank you all for watching. And of course, hit that thumbs up. And Buzz is gonna sign us out. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, Buzz.